In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in After Effects. Changing the background color is one of those simple but essential skills that makes your compositions look clean and intentional. Maybe you want a solid color behind your text, or you're building a motion graphic and need a consistent backdrop. Whatever the reason, we'll walk through a quick and reliable way to do it using a solid layer. First, make sure you have your project open in After Effects and your composition visible in the timeline. This is where all your layers live. With your composition active, move your cursor up to the very top of the screen and click on the layer menu in the menu bar. When that menu opens, hover over the new option. A side menu will appear, and from there, select Solid. As soon as you do that, a dialog box will pop up. This Solid Settings dialog is where you define what your background will look like. You'll see fields for things like name, size, and color. After Effects will usually match the size of your composition automatically, which is what you want for a full background. The important part for us right now is the small rectangular color swatch near the bottom of this window. Click that swatch to open the color picker. The color picker lets you choose exactly the shade you want. You can click anywhere in the large color area to pick a color visually, or adjust the sliders and values if you're matching a specific brand color. Take a moment to experiment until you find a color that works well with your design. When you're happy with your choice, click OK to close the color picker. You'll now see that your selected color appears in the Solid Settings dialog. To confirm everything, click OK again. After Effects will add this new solid layer to your composition. At this point, you might notice that your entire composition looks like that solid color. That's because the new solid is sitting on top of your other layers. To make it behave as a background, go to your timeline and find the layer with the solid you just created. Click and drag that solid layer down to the very bottom of your layer stack. Once it's at the bottom, your other footage, text, or graphics will appear on top of it, and the solid will act as your new background color, and that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in After Effects using a solid layer.